Hello guys, to our friends at Voukad have sent us this professional clippers for men and also a zero gap detail trimmer kit. Let's unbox it. Let me show you everything that we get included. Into the box, we will receive this professional cape so you can do a professional haircut. This is how the cape looks. You get everything in this nice case, and inside the case you get an instruction manual, some warranty details. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different type of comps. You get a 3 millimeters, you get a 6 millimeters, you get a 9 millimeters, you get a 12 millimeters, 16 millimeters, and finally a 19 millimeters. You get a comp. You get extra comp sizes for the trimmer over here. You get a 1 millimeter, a 2 millimeters, 3 millimeters, 4 millimeters, 5 millimeters, and 6 millimeters. You get cleaning kits for the trimmer and the clipper. And finally guys, this is our clipper right here. It's an obsidian color. You have this tab for the adjustments. You have an on and off switch. And you have this display that will let you know how much charge you have left. This is a 7,000 RPMs, so you can rest assured that this is going to do the perfect job for your cuts. This is the trimmer right here. You will have an easy grab handle, a switch to turn it on, and also an LCD that's going to display how much charge you have left. You'll be able to place all the different comps on the trimmer or the clipper. They all fit perfectly. You'll be able to place everything back in the storage compartment. Everything fits perfectly. This is very travel friendly and also great for storage. This is a very essential kit if you do a lot of design on your hair, especially if you are a barber or you have your own business cutting hair. This is a must-have because it has all the different sizes for you to use. And the most important one that I think is this trimmer right here, because you can definitely just use it for also cutting your body hair. It's going to remove all the body hair. You can use it to do this precise cuts. This is also a must-have if you have a beard and you just want to do a design. You can definitely use it for that. It has a perfect grip, and right here on the display it's going to let you know how much power it has left, and also if it needs to be oiled or it needs to be serviced. I hope that the information about this men clippers and trimmer was helpful. I definitely want to thank you for watching. See you on the next video.